By the end of this video, you'll be able to automate your Git commits and PRs using Claude Code, saving you time and reducing manual errors. You'll learn how to set up Claude Code to streamline your Git workflow. Automating Git commits and PRs is a game changer for developers like you, as it frees up more time for coding and less time on mundane tasks. Imagine being able to focus on writing new features instead of manually creating commits and PRs. Claude Code makes this possible by integrating with your existing Git setup. With Claude Code, you can automate repetitive tasks, such as committing changes, creating PRs, and even assigning reviewers. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the chance of human error, ensuring your codebase remains consistent and clean. You'll be able to automate your Git workflow, making you a more efficient and productive developer. To get started, you'll need to have Claude Code set up and connected to your Git repository. We'll walk through the steps to configure Claude Code and start automating your Git commits and PRs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Claude Code to automate your Git workflow, and you can try setting up Claude Code with your own Git repository right now. Vocabulary, automation, workflow, repository, productivity. By the end of this, you'll be able to connect Claude Code to your Git repository, a crucial step in automating your commits and PRs. To start, you'll need to create a new Claude Code project. Head over to the Claude Code dashboard and click on New Project. Give your project a name, like gitautomation, and select the repository you want to connect. You'll need to authorize Claude Code to access your Git repository, so click on Connect Repository and follow the prompts to link your Git account. Once connected, you'll see your repository listed in the Claude Code project settings. Next, you'll need to install the Claude Code Git hook. This will allow Claude to interact with your Git repository and automate commits and PRs. To do this, run the command Claude Code Git hook install in your terminal and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. With Claude Code set up and connected to your Git repository, you're one step closer to automating your commits and PRs. Now, try running Claude Code Git hook verify to ensure everything is working as expected. By the end of this, you'll be able to automate your Git commits using Claude Code. You've already set up Claude Code. Now it's time to configure it for automated commits. This is where the magic happens, and you start saving time on repetitive tasks. To start, you'll create a new script that utilizes Claude's API to commit changes. You'll use the Claude Code commit command, which is specifically designed for this purpose. First, open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Then, create a new file named commit_script.sh using your favorite text editor. In this file, you'll write a simple script that uses the Claude Code commit command to commit your changes. The command will look something like this: Claude Code commit your commit message. Replace your commit message with the actual message you want to use for your commits. For example, if you want to commit all your changes with the message automated commit, your command would be Claude Code commit automated commit. Make sure to save the file and give it execute permissions using the chmod plus xcommit_script.sh command. This script will be the core of your automated commit process. Now that you have your script, you can test it by running /commit_script.sh in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, this should commit all your changes with the specified message. This is a huge step towards automating your Git workflow, and you'll be able to build upon this in the next steps. Your next step is to try running the script and see the automated commit in action. All right, now that you've set up Claude Code for automated commits, let's take it to the next level by creating automated pull requests, PRs. This will help keep your codebase organized and make your workflow even more efficient. By the end of this scene, you'll be able to create a new PR with Claude Code using its API. Here's how. 1. Open your terminal. Make sure it's ready for action. 2. Navigate to your project directory. Use cd path/ to / your / project to get there quickly. 3. Start Claude Code. If you haven't already, run npx Claude Code, start to launch the CLI interface. Now we'll create a new PR using the following steps. 1. Specify the source and target branches. For this example, let's assume your source branch is feature/new_user_auth, and you want to merge it into main. You can specify these directly in your command. 2. set up your pull request title and body. These will make the PR more informative and easier to review. Here's a step-by-step guide. Bash. Claude Code PR create. Source branch feature / new user auth. Target branch main /. Title, add user authentication /. Body, this pull request adds user authentication functionality as per the latest requirements. PR create. This is the command to create a new PR. Source branch feature / new user auth specifies where the changes are coming from. Target branch main, the branch you're merging into. Title, add user authentication, a descriptive title for your PR. Body, this pull request adds user authentication functionality as per the latest requirements. An informative body to give context. By the end of this, you'll be able to verify that your automated Git commits and PRs are working smoothly with Claude Code. Now that you've set up the automation, it's crucial to review the results. You want to check that the commits are being made as expected and that the PRs are being created correctly. To do this, head over to your Git repository and take a look at the commit history. You can do this by running the command git log in your terminal. This will show you a list of all the commits that have been made, including the automated ones. Check that the commit messages are what you expected and that the changes are being made correctly. Next, check the PR list in your repository to ensure that the automated PRs are being created and updated as expected. You can do this by going to the PR tab in your repository and filtering by the label you set up for your automated PRs. Verify that the PRs are being created with the correct title and description, and that the changes are being included as expected. If everything looks good, you're one step closer to having a fully automated workflow with Claude Code. Now, go ahead and review your automated commits and PRs to ensure they're working as expected. By the end of this, you'll be able to integrate your new automated Git commits and PRs workflow into existing projects. You've made it through reviewing automated Git commits and PRs with Claude Code. Now, let's talk about what's next. You've got a solid foundation in automating your Git workflow, and it's time to take it to the next level. To get started with integrating this workflow into your existing projects, you can use the Claude Code automate command in your terminal. This will open up more automation features for you to explore. Run Claude Code automate and see what other tasks you can automate to streamline your development process. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Claude Code features and tutorials, consider subscribing to our channel for more hands-on tutorials like this one. Now that you've automated your Git commits and PRs, try applying this workflow to one of your current projects by running Claude Code automate right now.